बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं क्वेश्चन 5 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 3A। हमारा जो टॉपिक है इसका चैप्टर नंबर 3 है ऑफ बुक डी टू अभी हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं चैप्टर 4 इसका। स्टेटमेंट ऑफ क्वेश्चन 5, that is Sara buys a fax machine and sells it to Bina at a gain of 25% on the cost price. Bina then sells the fax machine to Amira at the loss of 25% on the price at which she buys it from the Sara. If the Amira pays 360 PKR for the fax machine, how much did Sara pays for it? हमने इसका जो फाइंड आउट करना है वो कॉस्ट Sarah's payment for machine. हमें जो इसकी अमीरा की कॉस्ट प्राइस है, अमीरा ने पे की है, वो गिवन है। अमीरा पेड, that is 360 PKR. Bina then sells the fax machine to Amira at the loss of 25%. 25% loss of Bina, that is 25%. Mean to say Bina sells machine at 75%. At 100 minus 25%, that is loss, it will be 75%. So we can say at 75%, price Bina purchased or buys from Sara. And that is the 360 PKR. If she pays 1% price of Bina purchased from the Sara, it will be divided by 360. It is unitary method that we are doing at this place. At 100% price Bina purchased from Sara, it will be 360 divided by 75 into 100. 25 3 times are 75 and 4 times it will be 100. Up 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6 and 0. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, it will be the 480. So original price of machine is equal to 480 PKR. Now from the given statement, Bina gains 25% on the cost price. Bina gains 25% at cost price. We can say she sell it at 100 plus 25%. It is 125%. We can use the unitary method like this: 125% of cost price is equal to, it is 480, and 1% of cost price, it will be 480 divided by 125%, 125, and at 100% price, its cost price will be 480 divided by 125 into 100. हम इसको 25 से कैंसिल आउट करते हैं, इट विल बी 5 एंड here will be 4. Next again, 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, and 5 6 are 35, 30. 96 into 4, it is going to be 384 pkr. So Sara paid for fax machine that is 384 pkr. This is the required price of the fax machine.